Is your modern diesel engine suddenly puffing out excessive black smoke or feeling like it has lost its mojo on the highway? If you scanned it and found the code P20D0, you are dealing with an exhaust aftertreatment fuel injector stuck closed error. This sounds complicated, but let us break it down. Your diesel vehicle uses a complex system to clean up exhaust gases, often injecting diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, to reduce harmful nitrogen oxides. This code means your powertrain control module has detected that the voltage in the control circuit for that specific injector is weird, specifically that it is outside the normal range, causing the injector to stay closed. When this injector does not open, the fluid does not get sprayed into the exhaust stream and your emission system cannot do its job. This is serious because if you ignore it, you could clog up your expensive diesel particulate filter or damage the catalytic converter. Symptoms often include that nasty black smoke, a big drop in fuel efficiency, and sluggish engine performance. So how do you fix it without wasting money? Do not just assume the injector is dead. I like to start by looking at the wiring harness. These systems are under the vehicle and exposed to the elements, so burnt wires or corroded connectors are very common. If the wiring looks good, you'll need a digital volt ohm meter. You need to test for battery voltage and ground at the connector. If you have power and ground, but the injector will not click or spray when commanded by a scanner, then the injector is likely failed. However, if you're missing voltage, the problem might be back at the controller or a blown fuse. Always test your fuses with the circuit loaded to be sure. Tackling this quickly can save you from a much bigger repair bill down the road.